Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reacting to the Diamond Play Button by Comjust Gamer. Wait, he has the play button. But he is, he's got about 6 million subscribers, not 10 million. His analysis. Oh yeah, look, I have a webcam. Hi. Well, let's just...
Hey guys, it's Comjust Gamer here. Alright, okay, so my brother left his 10 million Diamond Play
He stole it.
Alright, yeah, pretty much. I want to see what he can do with this play button. Because it must be something amazing. It's a freaking Diamond Play Gold button. It's heavy as hell as well. Jesus Christ. This should be a lot of fun. Alright, let's see. I want to see if it's a door stop. If it's a good door stop. Alright, see if it, alright, okay. Okay, yeah, it stopped the door. It stopped the door. It's a good door stop. This door likes to open by itself. Sweet, it's a good door stop. Yeah, we found one thing that is good for.
Okay.
A door stop. Okay, we're going to test out if it's a good booster chair. If it's a good booster seat for chairs. Okay, so as you can see, if I sit down on the chair, I'm kind of low down, isn't it? I feel like a baby. Now, wow, I'm so much higher. I can actually touch the ceiling now.
No.
Oh wow, did you see that? I didn't even move. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna see how much of a good paperweight this is, alright? Alright, we're gonna test. Time to test. Look. Look at that, I'm pulling it. I mean, look. Oh. That's a pretty damn good paperweight. It freaking tore the freaking paper. That's a solid paperweight. It just tore it again. JJ might kill me for this.
Oh.
I love you, JJ. We're gonna test if it's how strong it is.
A BB gun? Is it a BB gun?
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Did it break?
Believe it or not, I didn't even make a mark. It legit didn't even leave a mark. It didn't even leave a mark.
This case, isn't it?
Like, honestly. That is crazy. This is indestructible. Okay, let's say this pillow, you're sleeping. Oh, gosh. Let me turn it the other side. Oh, God, it's so hot. Man, what can I use? Oh, wow. This is cold. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You can use the Diamond Play Button as a pillow. Wow. There you go. If you ever need the cold side of the pillow, the Diamond Play Button is your best friend. Also, maybe if you're skinny and weak like PewDiePie, look, it's a weight for you, mate. Look, it's a good weight. Oh yeah. Now PewDiePie can become Dwayne Johnson. All right, now I'm gonna test if this is easy to cut. So yeah, love you.
Are you crazy, man?
I'm not gonna cut it all the way. I'm just gonna cut it a bit to see if it's easy to cut. All right.
It will cut.
There's something wrong with you. This is JJ's. What's your problem? Where did you come? Why don't you walk out and get yours? Where did you come from?
Oh. Why is he laughing so much? Alright. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and as always, see ya.